Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we are going to start exercise 11.3, in which question number 1, evaluate. In that first bit is tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. See here, before starting the question, you just add them. 36 plus 54. Roughly, you just add them. 36 plus 54 is 90 degrees. That means here these two angles are complementary, right? Now here you see the way how to solve. Tan and cot, those are also complementary to each other. So those are complementary to each other. So here we can write tan, you write as it is. You write tan as it is. In place of 36, let us change it as 90 minus. Here you observe 36 plus 54 is 90. That means 90 minus how much is 36? 54. So same way 90 minus 36 is 54. 90 minus 54 is 36. As we are changing 36 here, it can be written as 90 minus 54. Is it clear? Here you keep in mind one important thing is that once if you change the numerator, do not change the denominator. Is it clear? In the same way, if at all if you want to change the denominator, then don't change the numerator. Any one of them, either numerator or denominator should be written as it is. Here as I have changed the numerator, I am writing the denominator as it is. So cot 54, do not change it. Without changing, let us write as it is. Clear? Now here we write the suitable formula, that is tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Here you understand that tan 90 minus, after this 90 whatever value is there, that will come under cot. Here what value is there after 90? 54. That will come under cot. So here tan 90 minus 54 becomes cot 54 degrees. Is it clear? And denominator is also by cot 54 degrees. Now here we can cancel cot 54 and cot 54 one time. Therefore this answer is 1. Here you need to understand one thing very carefully. Here you see tan in the first step, in the first stage of converting into formula, do not change the tan first. Here you see tan and tan both are equal. Is it clear? Here I have changed the number. 36 is changed into 90 minus 54. In this step 36 is not there. Is it clear? In the next step you do not change this 54, but you change the trigonometric ratio tan to cot. Is it clear? Here you tell me which is not changed. Tan is not changed. Here which is changed? 36 is changed. Number is changed. Here you say which is not changed? 54. Number is not changed. But here which is changed? Tan becomes cot. So cot tan is changed. Now finally you observe the question to the answer. Tan is changed to cot. 36 is changed to 54. Means both of them are changed. Is it clear? So step by step, first here I changed the number, next I changed the trigonometric ratio, finally we have changed the both. This is the order we have to follow. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us see second bit, that is cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Before starting the problem, let us add them roughly. That is 12 plus 78 is again 90. That means these two are complementary to each other. Is it clear? Now here the same way, let us change any one of them. So I am selecting the first one. In the first step I am writing cos as it is. So as I did not change the cos, what should I change now? Number is to be changed. That is how 90 minus how much is 12? 78. So let us write 90 degrees minus 78 degrees. As we have changed the first one, we are not going to change the second one. Let us write it as it is. Clear? Now formula. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to? Sin theta. Clear? Based on this formula, here cos 90 minus theta. Here what is theta?
78.
So here sin theta means sin 78 degrees minus, let us write this sin 78 degrees as it is. Here without writing their values, we can cancel them because both of them are equal, having different symbols. So here sin 78 degrees minus sin 78 degrees is equal to 0. So here with this second bit gets completed. Now we see next bit, that is third bit. Cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Here also the same, you select any one to change. Better always if we select the first one. So here cosecant I write the same. Now before starting the problem, as earlier we have done this also same. 31 plus 59 is again 90. So here 31 can be written as 90 minus 59. So let us write this 31 as 90 degrees minus 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Let us write the as it is. Now here suitable formula is cosecant 90 degrees minus theta is equal to secant theta. So based on this formula, here theta is 59, right? Cosecant 90 minus 59 will be secant 59 degrees minus, let us write secant 59 degrees as it is. Now they both will get cancel. So the answer is 0. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. Now we see next bit, that is fourth bit. Sin 15 degrees, here no symbol is there, means that is into multiplication, right?
Yes.
Sin 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees. So let us add the values. 15 plus 75 becomes 90 degrees. That means here 15 and 75 both are complementary angles. Now let us change the first one. I am going to write 15 as 90 minus how much is 15?
75.
75 degrees into, let us write this one as it is. Secant 75, let us write as it is. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now again here suitable formula is sin 90 minus theta is equal to how much?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. Let us apply this formula. Now here sin 90 minus theta. Theta means 75.
Right.
So it will become here cos 75 degrees into, let us write secant 75 degrees as it is. Here you do understand that we are going to apply another formula for further simplification. That is what we can write secant theta as 1 by cos theta from the set of reciprocals. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, or in fact you can write even cos theta as 1 by secant theta also. Both are the same. Now here you observe, whatever theta is there, same value will come. It is not like earlier. Here you see 90 minus 75, 75 comes. Okay, 90 should be left. That is different. Those are complementary angle formulas. Here you see whatever value is there here, secant 75 can be written as 1 by cos 75. Directly the value can be written. Is it clear? So let us write this cos 75 as it is. Cos 75 degrees into secant 75 can be written as 1 by cos 75 degrees. Now here what can we do? We can cancel them one time. So here the answer is 1. So fourth bit answer is 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now we see first problem, fifth bit, that is tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Clear? Now let us select the first one to be changed. Here tan, let us add them. 26 plus 64 is again 90 degrees. So 26 can be written as 90 minus 64 degrees. 90 degrees minus 64 degrees. Let us write this tan 64 as it is. It is into tan 64 degrees. Now here suitable formula is tan 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cot theta. So let us apply this formula first. Now here you observe theta is 64. Tan 90 degrees minus 64 becomes cot 64 degrees into tan 64. Let us write as it is. Now here one more formula, that is cot 64 degrees can be written as 1 by, actually we can write the formula cot theta we can write. So here let us write cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. Based on this formula, because these two are reciprocals. So now can you tell me here how can we write cot 64 degrees? Cot 64 using this formula. 1 by tan 64. Here it is 1 by tan 64 degrees. Is it clear? Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Cot whatever value is there, it can be written as 1 by tan that same value. Here you see cot 64 in place of theta you write 64 is equal to 1 by tan 64 degrees. Let us write the tan 64 as it is. Now here what can we do? We can cancel them. Tan 64 and tan 64 can be cancelled. So answer is 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we see problem number 2. That is, show that in that first bit is tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. See, whenever the questions are like show that and prove that, we have to consider the left hand side LHS and then finally we should prove it to equal to RHS. Is it clear?
Yes,
now here let us consider LHS, that is left hand side part. So consider LHS, that is, let us write the question, tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Now before starting the problem, let us check which pair of the given angles are complementary. Here you see 48 and 42, you add them. 48 plus 42, what is the total? 90 degrees. That means here you need to understand that this 48 and 42, these two are complementary angles. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, let us add 16 and 74. 16 plus 74 is also 90 degrees. That means here these two are 16 and 74, these two are complementary angles. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us write them together. So here let us rewrite this question once again, that tan 48 into, let us rearrange. Okay, tan 48 into here what can be written? Tan 42 degrees. Clear? Because it is in the product, it is a product, it is in multiplication, it can be altered. So here let us write tan 16 degrees into
Tan 74 degrees.
tan 74 degrees. Now let us see here the formula. This one we can write as tan, here you observe, 48 plus 42 is 90, means 48 can be written as 90 minus 42. So let us write 48 as 90 degrees minus 42 degrees, and let us write the tan 40 degrees as it is. Let us not to change this second one. Same way here, let us change it. Tan of, here you see, 16 plus 74 is 90. Then 16 can be written as 90 minus 74 degrees. 90 minus 74 into, let us write this tan 74 as it is. Is there any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Now let us apply the formulas. Those are tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot theta, and okay, here also same formula. So let us use the same formula here. Now you tell me, tan 90 minus 42 degrees becomes cot 42 degrees. It is cot 42 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes,
Into, let us write tan 42 as it is. Into, same way, tan 90 minus 74 degrees can be written as cot 74 degrees. Into, let us write this tan 74 degrees as it is. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to apply another formula, that is cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. Based on this formula, let us change cot theta in terms of tan theta. So here you tell me, what is cot 42 degrees? 1 by tan 42 degrees into, let us write this tan 42 as it is. Into, same, cot 74 degrees can be written as 1 by tan 74 degrees into, let us maintain the tan 74 degrees as it is. Now here, this tan 42 degrees, they get cancelled. Same way, tan 74 degrees and tan 74 degrees also get cancelled one time. So here 1 into, they are cancelled. Suppose one time here, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So finally we get here 1. You observe in the given question, this 1 is nothing but RHS. So here this 1 is nothing but RHS. Therefore here we get, if we consider the left hand side LHS, we got the right hand side RHS. So with this first bit gets completed. Now we see second problem, second bit, that is cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. Now here let us consider the left hand side part, that is LHS, that is, say here, cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Now again you see here, check properly, 36 plus 54 is 36 plus 54 is 90 degrees. That means here these two angles are complementary. These two angles are also complementary because the same angles. Now here let us write cos as it is. 36 degrees can be changed as 90 minus how much is 36? 54 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let us write this cos 54 as it is. Minus sin, again 36 can be written as 90 minus 54 degrees, 90 degrees minus 54 degrees into, let us write the sin 54 degrees as it is. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now here the formula, cos 90 minus theta, the formula is,
Tan theta.
no, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, and here sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. You remember that sin theta and cos theta both are complementary angles. So here cos 90 minus theta is sin theta and sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Now here you see cos 90 minus theta, it can be written as sin theta, means sin 54 degrees will come. It is sin 54 degrees into, let us write cos 54 as it is, minus Sin 90 minus theta. Here theta is 54 degrees. That is cos theta. Means here what will come?
Cos
54 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us write this one as it is. Sin 54 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus. Here you see. It is just, you just imagine this as A into B can also be written as B into A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we can write sin 54 degrees first into cos 54 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now you observe sin 54 degrees into cos 54, you will get one value. The same value is also there here. Is it clear?
Yes.
So they both can be cancelled. So here, what is the answer? 0. Now what is RHS? 0 only. So this is RHS, right hand side. Therefore, if we consider LHS, we have reached RHS. When LHS equal to RHS, we can write hence proved. With this, the second bit gets completed. Now we see question number 3. If tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, then find the value of a. Now here, whenever if condition is there, we can take the condition completely. Here it is not okay. We don't think that we can take the LHS. We need to prove RHS. That is not the way, because that one will come if in the question show that or prove that. Whenever if condition is there, we can consider the condition, given condition completely. So here, let us start solving this problem. Given, what is given here? Tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees. Here, there are two ways to solve. The first one is, either you convert tan in terms of cot using tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, or cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, or else this one also can be changed. So here, which one is easy, that I will tell you. First let us start solving this problem. Right, we know that tan theta as cot 90 minus theta. Let us apply this formula first. Now here, you just observe carefully. Tan 2a, just imagine 2a as theta. Now just think that here 2a is not there, here theta is there. This is tan theta. Tan theta. Tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Here, actual formula, according to the formula, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Now, as I told you, this is not theta. Okay, actually you have taken 2a as the theta. So now replace theta with 2a.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Now you tell me, tan 2a can be written as cot of 90 minus 2a. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So let us write this one as cot 90 minus 2a. Let us write this cot a minus 18 as it is, that you don't change here. How can we write this 2a as cot 90 minus 2a? Means how can we subtract 2a from 90? Here you see the question. 2a is which kind of angle? Acute angle. Acute angle means that is less than 90 degrees. So here that can be subtracted, because 2a is less than 90, so that 90 minus 2a will be positive value. Is it clear? Since here given 2a is an acute angle. Acute angle means that is less than 90 degrees. That is the reason we are able to subtract 2a from 90. Is it clear? This is one of the ways. Other way is, let us maintain the tan 2a as it is, and let us write cot a minus 18 degrees as tan of 90 degrees minus a minus 18 degrees. But here, you do understand that you may commit a mistake in exam. What is the mistake? Here you see, when you convert, see, this may be, you may commit the mistake. not all, some children they may do the mistake that if you maintain the tan as it is, then it can be written as cot theta can be written as tan of 90 minus theta. So here you will write this as tan 90 minus a minus 18. Here the mistake is that you may forget to keep the bracket is to be kept. Is it clear? That means here you have to keep the bracket. Then what happens? Then here tan 90 minus theta comes. It is tan of 90 minus into a minus a. Again minus into minus plus 18. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So here, then in that case the mistake will be corrected. Is it clear?
Yes.
But in examination, what is the guarantee that you may keep the bracket? That's why here better you don't go for that kind of simplification. If you are well confident, then you can go for that way. Now here let us come back. Now here you see this is cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Both the sides have the same trigonometric ratio, so it can be cancelled. Just imagine that they got cancelled. Now here what is left? 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degrees. Is it clear? Now here since 2a is negative, let us send this 2a to right hand side. Since 18 is negative, let us move this one towards the left hand side. Now here you see a and minus 2a becomes plus 2a. So here a plus 2a is equal to this side you see 90 degrees, let us write as it is, minus 18 degrees becomes plus 18 degrees. Clear?
Yes.
A plus 2a is 3a. 3a is equal to this is 108 degrees. 90 plus 18 is 108. So here as we need to find a is equal to 108 degrees divided by 3. So on division you will get here 3 3s are 9, 1 is that means 18, 3 6 are. So a is equal to 36 degrees. So here you see the question, find the value of a. Therefore a is equal to 36 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we see question number 4. If tan A equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Here you see this is the if condition. It can be considered completely. So here let us start solving this problem. Given tan A is equal to cot B. Now here two chances. You can convert tan A in terms of cot A, or you convert cot B in terms of tan B. Is it clear? So here can you tell me what is the formula of tan A? Tan A can be written as cot 90 degrees minus A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You use this formula, or you can use cot B. Cot B can be written as tan 90 degrees minus B. So you should use only one, either this formula or that formula. So for understanding, let us write here this formula, or let us change cot B in terms of tan B, that is tan of 90 degrees minus B. So you can use any one of these formulas, but you do remember that do not use together. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now here I would like to change tan A in terms of cot, that is cot of 90 degrees minus A is equal to cot B. I am not going to change. So when you apply this formula, then do not apply this formula. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
When you apply this formula, then don't use it. Now let us write the cot. Let us write the cot B as it is, because here we are making both the ratios equal. It is cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. Just imagine that cot get cancelled. Now here what is left here? 90 degrees minus A is equal to B. Let us send minus A that side. So minus A becomes plus A. So here A plus B is equal to, here what is there? 90 degrees. Now here you observe what is there to prove. Prove that.
A plus B is equal to 90 degrees.
What we proved here.
A plus B is equal to 90 degrees.
So here we can write hence proved. With this problem 4 gets completed. Now we see problem number 5. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Now here let us start solving this problem. Here you see the given clue is that A, B and C are the interior angles of a triangle. So let us start with that. Given A, comma B and C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. So by angle sum property, what can we say? A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So let us write now A, in fact is angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. This is what? Since by angle sum property of a triangle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you just observe what we need to show. Tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. So first let us send the C that side. So that here what is required? A plus B is required. A plus B will be one side. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now here A plus B is equal to 180 degrees minus C. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us do, again you see we need to do by 2 both the sides. So divide by 2. So divide both the sides. Divide both the sides by 2. Now here let us write this as A plus B by 2. But here we are going to split 2 for the both. So let us write 180 degrees by 2. 180 degrees by 2 minus C by 2. Clear? Now here what will happen? Let us write A plus B by 2 as it is. 180 by 2 is here cancellation. 2 how much are 180? 90 degrees. So here we can write this as 90 degrees minus C by 2. Now here you observe which ratio is required here? Tan. So let us apply tan theta both the sides. Is it clear? Now here apply tan both the sides. Now here tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to tan of 90 degrees minus C by 2. Is it clear? We have a formula. The formula is that tan of 90 degrees minus theta can be written as cot theta. Using this formula, let us change this tan of 90 minus C by 2 as cot C by 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And LHS let us write as it is. That is tan of A plus B by 2. Now here you see, you read the question. What is there in the question? Show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. So here you see tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Hence proved. With this problem 5 gets completed. Now we see question number 6. express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of the angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Here you understand the question that we need to express the given value in terms of trigonometric ratios. But in fact, those are trigonometric ratios only. But the question is that these angles are to be in between 0 and 45. See, 75, is it in between 0 and 45? No, it is more than 45. Is it clear? 65 degrees, is it in between 0 and 45 degrees?
No, sir.
No, it is more than 45 degrees. That means here we need to change these two values, which will be in between these two, 0 and 45 degrees. Is it clear? That means here, simple way, we need to write their complementary angles. That's all. We have to write these angles, complementary angles for the given angles. Is it clear? Now let us start now. Let us write the given expression. Given sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Is it clear? Now let us write sin as it is. Sin of 75 degrees can be written as 90 degrees minus, how much is that? 15 degrees. Is it clear? 90 minus 15 is 75. Is it clear? Now here let us write the cos as it is. 65 degrees can be written as 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. It is 25 degrees. 90 minus 25 is 65. 90 minus 15 is 75. Is there any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Now here we are going to apply the formula. That is sin of 90 degrees minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta formula is cos theta. Clear? And one more formula is also there. That is, and another formula is cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta. Now here, based on these two formulas, we are going to move for the next step. That is, here sin 90 minus theta. Here theta is how much? 15 degrees. That is cos theta. Means here what will come? Cos 15 degrees. This is cos 15 degrees. Plus, right? Cos 90 minus theta. Here theta is 25 degrees. Cos 90 minus theta formula is sin theta. So here sin theta means 25 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Do we know the value of cos 15 degrees? We don't know. Sin 25 also? We don't know. So we can leave the problem here. And you just see whether we got the answer or not. We are asked to express this one in terms of the trigonometric ratios of angles. The angle should be between 0 and 45. You check once. Is 15 between 0 and 45 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is 25 between 0 and 45 or not?
Yes, sir.
So with this, the problem 6 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.